I'm Megan Cook and welcome to Growing Your Own Food at Home. In this online course you'll learn about how to grow your own salad greens and you'll be producing food within the next 4 weeks. I've been growing food for around the last 15 years on a large permaculture property. At the moment I'm renting, so I'm going to show you during this course how to grow food in a raised garden bed in a small space. So whether you're on a balcony, whether you have a small suburban backyard or even a large property, you can use this same sort of growing method. Come with me and I'll show you around. So today I've put up this raised garden bed and inside of it is actually a sub-pod worm farm. In permaculture, we like to cycle nutrients through the soil, and a great way of doing that is using worms. When you're in a compact space and you don't maybe have enough room for composting in a traditional method, this is a great space-saving idea, as well as obviously utilising your food scraps and turning that into nutrient-rich compost. So the way that this actual worm farm works is it's an in-ground system, and the worms travel out through these holes here on the side, which you can see, and they'll travel in and out through the holes, and they'll be spreading that beautiful compost throughout the garden bed, and that in turn will feed the plants here that will be planted. So there's no need for artificial fertilizers or artificial inputs. It's actually a closed loop system. Cut.